Hi everyone, John from Ideal Heating. This video is to go over our Halo range of smart room thermostats, and when we talk about what plug, pair, play means for installers, it's all around the installation. There's no need to hardwire in the Halo Combi, plug it into the aperture, pair it, and away you go. I'll now show you how easy it is to install a Halo Combi RF or a Halo Combi Wi-Fi. You'd start by isolating the boiler. Once the boiler is isolated and your safety checks have been done, you pull down the panel to reveal the base plate. With the base plate removed, you can now begin installing the smart interface. Remove the link plug and plug in the smart interface. The next step, you'd power up the boiler and begin the pairing sequence. On our YouTube, there's a full installation video of the Halo Combi RF and Halo Combi Wi-Fi for this sequence. As you can see, there's no hard wiring, no electrician needed, and the whole process can be done from start to finish in 4 minutes. Now, for a comparison with a third-party thermostat, the backplate is already installed. You'd offer up the wire and trim the cable down to necessary sizes. We've sped up the process. And as you can see with plug, pair, play of Halo Combi RF or Halo Combi Wi-Fi, it is much easier and simpler installation process for you as an installer.